Okay guys, hello. First of all, our tutorial. So how to open 22 key 5289. So this is first part. You go upstairs. Of course you go upstairs, you know that. So it's in English because also for some foreign people. Now very important, don't forget, always have your keys with you, because if you close this, it's a problem, because you can't open that without keys with you have inside. So the small one up, and then the big one. Small one here, big one here. Remember to move with the second hand a little bit to pull it, to open it easily. And always have with your hand, because if you leave the key here and close the door, you have a problem, because you'll be outside. What else? Here you can leave your things, your jacket. Please don't forget to put it on, because it's beautiful. A studio means studio or the studio. So that's the point. Here you have, it's a camera, don't worry. We always just for our comfort. So it's only here. The toilet, you know how it works. Take your time. You can use also the juice if you want. Then we have the toilet. Important thing is that every paper, not here but here, okay? This for paper. It will be fantastic. Do not block our pump. So hi. So now you know what, if you go out, always have to put it off, and that's all. Don't forget to put off the light, because sometimes it's we live for a problem, we live like this. So always be sure that you put the light off. Okay, it's nice to clean your hand, your legs. Here everything is clean for you. This is for cleaning dishes. This sponge, this not. This is only here for cleaning, because sometimes some soap is coming here. Paper you can use. Here you are. You can use this, of course. You can use this if you want. Here you have the coffee. You just need to give to our client. Here you have the cables to charge your mobile phones. Of course there is a lighting. Of course there is a normal USB-C. Okay, so I have got everything here. Then you can use, of course, this. You can take this. Here you have the fresh water, always with the filter. Here you are for your clients and for you. If you want something more, there's a lot of things. You can use all of the all of it. You can use it. So we have also the honey also. So that's important for you all. If you need more paper, it's here. For the printer. If you need some paper for printer, it's here. If it's hot inside, you can use it. Always remember to put it on, and turn it off. Okay? After when you're finishing. This is, you have got special cable to print something direct to your computer. Here you have, if you want to drink something, take, but leave Małgosia for Małgosia and Basia for Basia. And the rest you can always have here. Now this you can take your time. Don't forget to change the date. You can sit here, you can sit here, you can sit here, doesn't matter. This is part of Anya, so don't touch it, please. Do you have everything here? Please clean after using this board. Yes, I think so. This our special material for every new student of Sonia in Polonia, but you can also take this one. They're very interesting, some special words, and of course you can take this, how to call it, I forgot, pen. So this you can open always and take your time outside. Please, if you see some cigarette here, please inform us. If someone smokes, has to clean. Hopefully nobody smokes. After lesson, don't forget to put it down like this. It's very easy to work. Don't leave opened doors. Okay. The same situation is in the second window, but you have to be careful with this. To do not pull too much, because if you have some signs here, this sign, don't do it more than like this, because it will block and it will stuck. Here you have everything is clean. You don't need nothing more, I think. There are some our stuff. If you need some place, some your private stuff, you can also arrange something place for you. If there is something like this that is too much, you can always change. Here you are, the new bolsa de basura, I forgot the word. The new bag, plastic bag. Here you can put, when someone is calling you, you can push this button and let someone come inside. You can use this if you want to get some music. If you need something for cleaning, always is here. Everything is here. You can use it, but you don't have to use it. In case of emergency, this. So I think everything is clear. Try to leave this place like at your home, because it's very important for us. Everything for now. If you have still any questions, write it down. If you have any ideas, write it down to our group and WhatsApp. So thank you for now. Don't forget in closing to put it off and close the door in this 2 times, okay? 2 times, but from the outside. Okay, so that was a tutorial. Thank you very much for everything. Bye.